All right, I'll do this for 4 hours, and then I have to do my graph theory homework. Wow. Two problems left. All right. There we go. Remind me to register for tournament tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
We're gonna start right here in Chicago, Illinois.
I get no.
I'm scheduled to perform before China. If I sing her song first, I'll steal her thunder and she'll look like a fool. Lexi, what are you doing? Just putting your clothes away for you. Hey, Ryan.
I'm sorry, but you can hardly blame the director for questioning the loyalty to America of people that are just barely Americans in the first place.
Yeah, well, I'd like to take a moment to review the several ways in which you're a douchebag.
Get the fuck out of my office.
Yes, sir.
Before I end your career, asshole.
Yes, sir. Yeah, my friend, I'm gonna need you for a second. My loyalty? For 24 years, people have been trying to kill me. People know how. Now, do you think that's because my dad was a Greek soda pop maker, or do you think that's because I'm an American spy? Go fuck yourself, you fucking child. How was it?
I'm sorry, but you can hardly blame the director for questioning the loyalty to America of people that are just barely Americans in the first.
You've probably heard that in school today.
I wrote a spring poem, and Miss Byers only put Angelica's poem up on the wall. And she didn't put my poem up on the wall. And why would she do that? I thought she liked me.
Jake.
No.
Kara's talking to you.
What?
She's talking to you.
Well, Kara, her poem was probably much better than yours. Let's eat.
Dave.
Well, I didn't read the bitch's poem, but maybe she can really turn a phrase, Let's eat.
Tell Kara that her poem was good. You just hurt her feelings.
I didn't read her poem either. Do you want me to lie to her? Is that what this is? I don't care. Kara, honey, your poem, which I did not read, was way, way better than the other girl's poem, which I also did not read. Let's eat.
Not that what happened at school today.
I wrote a spring poem.
You have more in common with a white author than you have with someone who's against all literature. So why must we always concentrate on color or religion or this? There are other ways of connecting men.
I'll tell you this. When I left this country in 1948, I left this country with one reason only, one reason. I didn't care where I went. I might have gone to Hong Kong, I might have gone to Timbuktu, and lived in Paris, on the streets of Paris. The $20 I'm talking about the theory that nothing worse could happen to me there than it already happened to me here. You talk about thinking that's right about yourself. You have to be able then to turn up all the antenna that you live, because once you turn your back on this society, you may die. you may die. And it's very hard to sit at a typewriter and concentrate on that if you're afraid of the world around you. The years I lived in Paris did one thing for me. They released me from that particular social term, which is not the paranoia of my own mind, but a real social danger visible in the face of every cop, every boss, everybody.
Everybody, no matter who, no matter what his attitude is real. I did not say that. Well, has an attitude, it's on his face, it's in the way of every force.
You're asking me to do something impossible. You're asking me to take the will before the deed. I don't know what most white people in this country feel. I can only conclude what they feel from the state of their institutions. I don't know if white Christians hate Negroes or not, but I know that we have a Christian church which is white and a Christian church which is black. I know as Malcolm X once put it, the most decorated hour in American life is high noon on Sunday. That's a great deal for me about a Christian nation. It means I can't afford to trust most white Christians, and certainly I don't trust the Christian church. I don't know if the real estate lobby is anything against black people, but I know if the real estate lobbies keep me in the ghetto. I don't know if the Board of Education hates black people, but I know the textbooks that get my children to read and the schools that we have to go to. Now, this is the evidence. I'm going to make an act of faith, risking myself, my wife, my woman, my sister, my children, on some idealism which you assure me exists in America, which I have never seen.
Why? Tell me why.
I'm so sick of it.
Are you using? No, Dad, I'm not fucking high right now. If you could take all the words in the language.
I gotta get off Instagram! What the fuck, dude? Alright, I got 3 hours and 22 minutes. Girls, Jack, my heart broken! Fuck you, Instagram! I'm gonna make another Instagram instead! And I'm gonna take advantage of people's fucking attention spans on my other Instagram! No, I'm not. It's cat. make a social media information digestion creation platform, which enables the unbridled human spirit in each one of our bodies to maximize its intended effect on this world that we happen to share. Yo. Yeah. Fuck. Profile presentation, profile screen. Alright, I should probably start focusing on some of the more important things. Making sure everything's fucking working properly. Testing. Yikey dikey lemon squikey. I need my Mac to test iOS. This isn't gonna work like this. Alright. I'm my oh man. pusher man. I'm your pusher man. What the fuck is wrong with this thing? I'm a pusher man. I'm a pusher man. I'ma start testing the fuck out of this with my phone. I haven't done this in a while, which I'm kind of ashamed of, but I got time tonight. 6:95 is right. I'm a pusher man. I got weed, I got crack, I got smoke, I got drink. Uh, 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 I'm your pusher man. She's dead as food. I gotta fix my phone at some point. I'm a pusher man. I gotta test this man. I'm your pusher man. Dude, if this shit gets witnessed in the future, I'm gonna be so fucking weird. I'm so weird. Dude, why don't I have a deleted field on the happening model? That's gotta be one of the silliest fucking things that I'm doing. I'm actually deleting programs. I'm actually deleting. Like, that's just irresponsible, bro. Just irresponsible. Who the fuck actually deletes these things? Let's see. Program controller, happening controller. Wow, it's one of the first methods. I mean, I could do that. It's not like the end of the world. Loki. I'm your pusher man. Just gonna code, keep on coding, 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 keep on coding. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. There's my phone. It came up. I'ma use it to test my app. I'm your pusher man. can't really just be the most. Get rid of this fucking stage manager. I'm your pusher, man. I gotta open up Xcode. It's been quite a while. I'm your pusher, man. Need to test this shit out. Need to test. Uh, I'm your pusher, man. I got smoke, I got weed, I got drink, I got bypass accounts. I'm a pusher, man. The fuck are you talking about? I'm a pusher, man. Somebody. I need a better system for connecting my phone. Build failed. What the fuck are you talking about? Motherfucker, what are you talking about? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm your pusher, man. What the fuck are you talking about, motherfucker? Yo. So many cables. I don't need to share my phone with my phone, motherfucker. Yo. I'm getting aggravated. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Visual Studio Code. The fuck you want today? I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. What the? Network helper. I need to go to my network helper. Development. Why is it on development? Oh, that's why it was working. And I actually don't know if it's working. That's not good. That shit was running on development. It's working though, which is I am surprised. Push. Push. Yo, what the fuck? Pushing. I'm pushing. I'm tired. I am considering the consumption of a joint. I'm a push. I'm a push man. Overall seems to be not the complete destruction. I'm a push man. I'm a push man. I got controller. These are all things I gotta pay attention to. All these things I gotta pay attention to. All these things I gotta pay attention to. And it's your PC. God damn it. Just gotta do it when I'm tired. Just gotta do it when I'm tired. You just gotta keep on going when you're tired. Can't really do much about it when you're tired. 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 Promotion, you controller, and get the fuck out of here and give me that shit. Ah la 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 la. Ah, you push. push me. I am tired, book. Tired. I should get my nose strip on, get that performance going. Event test. Oh shit. Update. Sit down for 3 hours and just fucking do it. Just fucking do it. Just do it. Just do it. The interesting thing is, I'm literally in physical pain right now. I'm in physical pain, and I just keep on going. But I think my efficiency is shit at the moment. But what can I do? What can I really do? What can I really do? You know? What can I really, what can I really do? What can I do? I gotta restart Shoddy to be my melody in my head. My happening cards are shit. That is shit. All of it is shit. Never satisfied. Continuous micro improvements. It's not the end of the world. Most of the hard work is done. It's the little things that you do not enjoy. That is where your journey remains for this beginning part of your life. Turn on developer mode, please. I don't know how you feel about my toes on your face, but I can tell you, hopefully, you know what? Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that on your feet. Bang, bada, boom, boo, 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 boo. Push me. Yeah, push me. My server is a piece of shit. It's all a mess in this bitch. I'm a pusher, man. Red Note. What the fuck is Red Note? What kind of bukkake lakake shit are you talking about? Pusher, man. This operation complete. I gotta open, knock. I don't even remember all the APIs I be using. My video call is pooping cookie. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. What was the other thing? Improve and test notifications. One motherfucker. Try again. Try again. Yo. Pusher, man. The block at the foot of my phone. The fuck is going on? Fucking works fine over here. Nas. I'm your push man. It could be like the settings or something. That's used to Wi-Fi. Man, what the fuck is my SU password? SCU, let me come into the Wi-Fi. That shit worked. I'm surprised. I'm very satisfied. I just need a fast one. I'm the pusher man. I just gotta deal with this mess in front of me at all times. That's what I gotta do. Backflip worship. Why is it so slow? It's terrible. Absolutely. I'm a son. 203 724 7888 251. I'm your push man. I'm the push man. I'm the push man. What the fuck did Heretic do, man? He didn't do shit. Nothing is done, motherfucker. I gotta make it better and better and better and better and better and better. All this shit. Creating boys. Push man. I need this motherfucker go. Dude. Context and information is always disseminating in my body. People think I'm crazy. Well, what's a man gonna become when he's locked in a room all day with no social interaction because he can't find anyone to fucking interface with? I'm talking to this camera instead with some abysmal hope that somehow, in some way, that my existence will mean something, because at least at some point and by some mechanism it will be observed, digested, and even partially understood. That was a bar. I'm gonna write that shit down. Observation is what I want. That's what I do for my life. All right, what do I test? There's so many things. Say psych right now, bro. What is this? Fuck you, Simon. Give me an A. Piece of shit. When you homie becomes graded. All right. Invoice is not finished. I can't test it. My phone is glitching. I need to make it look better. This orange ain't doing so well. Come on. How do I make that look? What is the Chat GPT logo? How do I get a logo for something that's about playing with information, querying that? It's not a search, it's not a Chat GPT, it's somewhere in between. Claude. Push man. Oh fuck. Could be working somehow. Could be working somehow. Let me think what I need to do. Happening. Bookings. Posts. Program. Booking. Deletes. I'm hungry again. Malarkey. Hesitation. Get over the hesitation. There's a hesitation. I cannot be hesitating. All right. The fuck? Right. I'm a pusher, man. I'm a pusher, man. I don't even know what to do no more. I'm testing shit out of my ass. Let me just fuck around with this software I got downtown. That shit was free as my bat hole. Let me create a party. Let me name it event. Let me edit. Wow, this shit is ugly as fuck, dude. Fix this visual glitch. Photos. I just gotta use the app because no one else is going to. Instagram, no shame. I don't know. Push a man. Let me make red. Motherfucker. Push a man. Yo, how's it going? Why can't I pull anything, bro? Rag hackathon. The CDN needs to significantly improve. Yo. I'm interested. What the fuck? What the fuck? At least, is this the case? What the fuck? That being said, let me test all this out. Oh, wait. Please tell me that shit was test. I'm already booked. It's not bad. I'm already booked. $50 for event test request refund. All right, not bad. Let me test. Yo, I'm booked. Nigga. Booked. I lost $2 to TheBlock. Yeah, nigga, I made $48. Fuck. There's too many fucking wires here. I'm getting tired with all the wires here. You just gotta be in the mess. You gotta be in the fucking mess. You gotta be in the mess. What did I discover? Build easy way to track. Oh my god, I should create participant objects for happenings, bro. Build easy way to track. Build easy way to track transactions for happening. Add participant object to happening model. That would be a lot easier. Now let me check the Mongo database. Let me check the Mongo database. Transactions. Where the fuck are my transactions? Global TheBlock wallet. Let me see. Free processor. Net TheBlock. I made 25 cents on that. I make money on everything below. I would have lost some money. Wait, if I charge $2 for everything below $50, and then I charge push a man $492. When I process refund for paid parents should remove when I process refund for paid parent transactions, I should probably remove that amount from the balance. Oh, from the local balance, but this should only happen money in the wallet money in the wallet okay, when processing refunds for paid with parent transactions, oh, nice, okay. Damn, that shit works. Man. When processing refunds for paid with parent transactions, the amount should be deducted from the local wallet balance, but this should only happen if the money in the wallet but this should only happen if the money in the local wallet. Dude, I don't know accounting, bro. When processing refunds for paid with parent transactions, the amount should be deducted from the local wallet balance, but this should only happen if the money in the local wallet This should only happen if the money from that particular transaction is in the local wallet. For paid with parent transactions, the amount should be deducted from the local wallet balance, but this should only happen if the money from that particular transaction is in the local wallet. We can determine this by checking when the last withdrawal date on the local wallet took place. If it is before the transaction date, then we know it only happened if the wallet from that particular transaction is in the local wallet. We can determine this by checking when the last withdrawal date on the local wallet took place. If it is before that, then we know that the money from the transaction is still in their balance. Dude, my accounting is shit! I'm gonna get in so much trouble! Dude, the only way this will work is if I generate. I'm gonna need like a really intelligent system for migrating data from my database to an updated database, because yeah, it's just not gonna work, dude. They're gonna have to work on completely different branches. Maybe we can keep it on monorepo somehow. But this should only happen if the money from that particular transaction is in the local wallet. We can determine this by checking. If the transaction date is before the last withdrawal date, if the transaction date is before the last withdrawal date, then it might be the case that the account has $0 in the wallet, in which case, when we as the block decide to refund the transaction, we will have to put up the money from our side and put the local user in debt to us. Negative $50, let's say, which is not the end of the world. Oh God. Whoa. Yo, this ain't good, motherfucker. I should test cancel booking. That's still working. You know what? Let me see what else I got. This is my account. Gucci Mane. Add copy address to program booking. Add program UX. Add copy address pop up. Motherfucker. Why is this fucking image not loading? Block made 62 cents. It's nice to see that working. Hey Harvey. Hey NSG. Harvey here. It's SSG. You been saw on the block with you in your back. Here's the link. Dinky cheeky, dinky cheeky. Push 'em, man. Finance records total earned. Finance record. And you push me. $18.50, which tracks. Push me. Wow, that's like fucking crazy. It ain't bad too much. Bro, Shotty needs a melody in my head. Fucking low, motherfucker! Yeah, that is curious. Why is that happening? Motherfucking loo. Let me sign up, though. What? active right now. Let me. Fuck out of here, nigga. Shit, I'm gonna get canceled again. I see it now, though. The fuck? Yo. Fucking thing's not gonna load in a million lifetimes. Now it's working. What the fuck? That's not good. Fuck, dude. All right. Expand on habits. Snap screen. This fucking idiot! Fucking idiot. This pisses me off. Ah! Fuck! What kind of dumb motherfucker breaks the single fucking feature that the fucking screen is meant for, you stupid fucking idiot? I give you one fucking job. Fuck, why do I merge your PRs if they're all gonna be dog poo-poo fuck shit? Fucking idiot. I can't fucking deal with this fucking moron. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
I'm dealing with what's up with this echo?
Wait. Yeah, my phone's microphone is just bad. Can I call you back in 5 minutes?
All right,
I just
well,
woke up.
oh yeah, okay. Just check my text. There's a lot of issues. For example, the snap screen just doesn't work anymore.
Okay. I'll check that.
Okay. Call me back when you can.
Okay, sure.
Fuck you! Why do I have to discover this shit? This shit is not going to work. How it's currently set up. All right.
Hello, hi Neil.
Hello, good morning. The PR,
Hey,
the
morning.
branch I see that you push doesn't include any camera fixes.
Does not make any camera fixes.
The branch you just
Just
pushed,
a,
the commit you just pushed doesn't include any camera fixes.
yeah, it does not. I'm just there was a lot of changes I made yesterday with the UI of invoices. So
Okay, I'll check that out. But I'm more frustrated right now about the invoices, the camera selection, because you told me that you fixed it and all these things, but now I'm using it, it doesn't work.
yeah, I'm checking that.
Okay.
I'll have to build it on my Android.
Mhm. So yeah, what's the update on the invoices from yesterday?
Yeah, so the invoices screens are created, and on the view invoice screen, I've made sure that the host can see others and the others can only see host. There was a is admin property in the controller, right? So and
Yeah, but you're still not
other
loading.
than
You're
that,
still not loading. Okay, what the fuck? You're still not loading. These buttons don't work. You're still not loading the ghost user on the invoice card properly, and you're not showing the correct icon.
So there's the contacts tab, right? And inside that, there's initially the list of suggested ghost users that we're fetching.
Wait, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Well, it looks good, kind of like it's close. There's still some issues, namely, this ghost user doesn't show me anything.
No, actually, this was an issue earlier as well. So I wasn't able to get that on my backend. So maybe the user does not exist or something like that.
Okay, and why did you add this line here?
Yeah, so basically the thing is that if I add it that way, so the button stays responsive for every platform. So it's just a matter of this line that's getting added additionally.
Why? The
Otherwise,
line shouldn't be there at all.
yeah, I know, but this is like a component for Flutter that they provide. So it's like a fixed bottom persistent button.
Okay, can you get rid of it?
That yeah, I'll try to get rid of that. But like this is mostly like a less code thing, which is always responsive kind of solution. So that's why.
It's a what?
So like you remember in the happening screens, there's a lot of code just to make the button be space like have spaces around it
Yeah.
for multiple operating systems
Did you keep
like
it a
web.
consumer stateful widget like I had it though? The button?
Yeah. Yes. So it is like that, but it's just that it's fewer lines of code and it's always responsive. So that's why.
Let me check it out. Yeah, I know it's called bottom navigation bar or whatever, right?
Yeah. So that's a bottom navigation bar is one property, and this one that I implemented on this view invoice screen should be view invoice. Yeah, it's called persistent footer buttons. Should be inside this build
It doesn't look
method.
right though. It looks kind of weird.
Okay, only the line, right? The button is fine, maybe.
No, the button looks like this. So is the whole invoices thing finished?
Yeah, I mean, there's only one issue I was facing. It was about the status of the invoice. For some reason, it's not updating properly.
What? When you update it or when you pay for it?
When you update the status from the edit invoice screen. So everything else, the details of the invoice are getting updated. I've also made it that the screen when you edit the invoice, you get back and you get the updated invoice details on the view invoice screen. But only if I change the status, for some reason, it's not getting updated properly. Even in the UI and all, maybe also in the backend because I'm refreshing and checking the app again and it still shows me
It
the
doesn't
same
have the
status.
same. It looks a little bit off.
Yeah.
Doesn't look right.
Okay.
App material button. You kept it as. Why didn't you make it consumer stateful?
Oh, this one is like it's only a UI component. I've made it like that, so it only looks
Okay, my
like a
question
button
to
and
you,
it.
mother. Okay, if it's a stateful widget, how the hell is it accessing the provider to pay for something?
No, it has the on tap property with which you can just pass in
Oh,
any void callback. Yeah.
okay. So okay, you're calling it straight from the invoice screen widget.
Yes. Exactly. So it's like a common component which is used in every single screen. So if I make it use a consumer stateful and a provider, so it's going to be linked with only one that single provider. So it won't be that common and generic for every use case.
Why is there only one label for it? Shouldn't the label change depending on who's viewing it?
Yeah, right.
Bro. Mm. And what if it's paid? Dude, you fucking eliminated all the logic I put there.
Okay, for the label, yeah.
I had a
There's
bunch
some
of
issues.
logic, and all I needed to do was to put that same button over here. You didn't have to do anything else.
Yeah, right.
And now all my logic's gone in this PR.
No, I'll get that back. It's not an issue.
No, but the issue is it's gone in the first place.
Okay.
All right, let me check. Maybe I didn't even write it. Let me. Okay. Which branch are you on? 669, right?
Yeah.
695. Okay, let's go to this app. Let's go to fucking lib. Okay, view invoice screen controller. Let me look at the history. How do I view the file as it was? View invoice screen.
No, inside the view invoice screen, previously there was an action button widget, which was a consumer stateful widget. And inside the label, there was only action written. There was nothing logical over there.
Yeah, that's right. All right. So then there's, oh my god, now I have to think about this. What logic is admin? Okay, that's not. I'll fix that then. But how do we get rid of this this line?
Yeah. Let me check.
Oh yeah, now I remember the freaking was it only pay invoice and that's pretty much it.
Yeah. So if it's admin, it's not doing anything in the controller. I checked that yesterday as well.
What we should do is pop up the share link dialog.
Yeah.
All right, so what's your schedule today? Do you have time?
For work,
Yeah.
I can try.
You think you do an hour with me right now?
Yes, sure.
I appreciate it. Why is this not able to access the invoice ID?
TikTok is getting banned?
Yep.
Okay. So
I mean,
that
it's
means,
bad for American democracy, but it could be good for us.
yeah.
So,
Why could it be bad for the democracy?
I mean, if you think about America's foundational principles of free markets, laissez-faire
Oh yeah.
economics,
Right.
and fucking freedom of speech, there's no constitutional right to do it. But that being said, it is also like China, and I think we're about to go
It
to
is
war.
also.
We're also about
Yeah,
to go to
exactly.
war with China, I think, which is like kind of scaring the shit out of me because I'm thinking if there's a war, I can't be the only asshole who's staying home.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that means my male ego might drive me to go to war. I don't know what's gonna happen to me, like if I do that or not, but it's making me think about it, and I don't want to make that decision
Yeah.
because
Right.
either decision is a retarded decision.
Yes. Well, I mean, not exactly though, but
Okay, here's what's gonna happen. If there's a major conflict between the United States and China,
yeah.
maybe let's say it's all robots. Okay, great. If it's not robots, then your only other option is humans because that's what we have, right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I go to war, the two outcomes
Yeah.
are this: one, I die. Okay, fuck. Okay. Second
Yeah.
option is I become back a war hero. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So like, and I have honor and all these things, and when I come back home, at least I can keep on doing my thing and have basic respect from other men and women. Like, you know what I mean? If I don't go to war, if I don't go to war, that means I'm a scaredy cat. Number one,
Yeah.
okay, and I won't be able to say anything for the rest of my life because everyone's just gonna be like, this piece of
So
shit didn't go to
that's
war.
like that's no, but that's your perception of things. But if you think about it differently, like if you think about it as a chess game, right?
Yeah,
So there's always king that's protected by like thousands, tens of pawns and all the other people surrounding the king.
yeah.
So the king is the president or whatever, the supreme leader of China,
Yeah.
and everyone else is like a pawn who's trying to fight and defend the king.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, it's like your life, and you only get one according to whatever we have right now. And why risk it for someone who doesn't even care if you live or die in a normal regular day?
I completely agree with you, right? But that still doesn't. It depends on the kind of war it is. You know, if it's like an Afghanistan war,
Yeah, if it's like genuine reason, like if your nation is like getting threatened by someone, but if it's just an ego war, which is
whatever.
what it is right now,
Yeah.
then it does not make sense to like throw away your life or risk it.
Yeah. Hmm.
But if they are actually invading and you have no other choice, then that's like Ukraine and Russia.
Yeah.
But either way, like ego war is also like invasion in a sense.
Yeah.
It's a complicated topic overall. China is also invading parts of India, so that's also really annoying.
Is it?
Yeah, I went to Ladakh last year, January. So there's a lot of villages over there, which is getting inch by inch. Chinese army is like occupying the regions.
Hmm.
It's pretty bad. India is trying to build infrastructure of their own in that region to claim that space. So it's like a cold war that's already started.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be interesting next few years.
Yeah, with everything like even AI and
Yeah,
wars.
everything's just kind of good.
It's been the most peaceful like say half century, I would say,
And human
or even
history.
a century. Yeah, in the human history. So someone's going to just wake up and say like,
Fuck
let's
this.
disrupt that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even Putin is getting old, so he might throw another shot at the world war.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna update this button state thing. It's not that big of a deal. But can you figure
Okay,
out
okay.
what's wrong with the snap screen?
Yeah, I'm building the app in the Android. As soon as it gets built, I'll just check the issues.
Wait, okay, I can access a controller from here, but I can't. So you're calling invoice controller. Where is it? Ritik, are you passing the controller to this somehow? Oh, he's muted. You're muted, my friend. I can't hear you.
Yeah, so the button, the controller is declared inside the build method, and this button, the app material button, it's also there inside the same method, so it can access the controller.
Why is it showing? Oh. Wait, so all the ghost user stuff is working now with the contact book and everything?
Yeah, so like you'll go to the contact list. When you tap on a contact, you'll be back to the select person screen. And as soon as you get back, it will hit the API to create the ghost user. And it will only hit it depending on whether you already have that ghost user in your list or not.
How are you determining if I do or not? The phone number?
Yes, yes.
You added an API method to check that?
No, not the API method. So we already have a list of ghost users available with us, right?
Uh-huh.
In the list.
Yeah.
So yeah, but the only problem here could be that suggested ghost users could be different and all ghost users could be different. So if that's the scenario, then it will break.
No.
Otherwise, it will
It's just about
function properly.
It's just about suggested. And it can create duplicates if someone else has the same contact, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I fixed some. I fixed
So
one
it
of.
will not create duplicate. if someone has the same contact number.
Huh?
I mean, yeah, it will not create a duplicate ghost user if someone has the same number.
How do you
Or
know?
if we tap on the same contact again, it will not create this ghost user again.
Locally.
Because it was doing that yesterday, and so it was also creating duplicate entries in the database for the ghost user.
Locally though, right?
Yeah. No, not locally, even in the Mongo database.
What?
So,
I should be
yeah.
able to create multiple ghost users with the same values.
You mean the same phone number, same contact?
Yes.
Okay.
I can't explain why. I'm kind of stupid right now, but there's some reason.
Okay. Okay.
Basically, a ghost
So,
user is like an asset. People own assets.
okay.
All right. So, what did you do exactly?
Okay. So, if you'll go to select person screen, it's like a same level. Yeah. So here,
But if I want to create another ghost user with the same contact, if it's not
yeah,
in my suggested list, then I can create it, right?
exactly. Yes.
And if it is in my suggested list, then I can't.
Yeah. So it won't be created. Yeah, exactly.
And what do you match? Just the phone number?
Just the phone number. So there's a method in line number maybe 90 something. Select person screen. It's called update select ghost user line number 67.
Uh-huh.
So it's reading the create invoice screen controller from here, and then it's calling the update ghost user method.
What update ghost user method?
Oh no, that's not. Oh no, this is different. This is different. So that okay. There's a add contact screen as well. So the logic is set there.
Okay, I also added a few methods recently. Um oopsie. See my fucking weird notes. The block journal there. Where are we issues tracker? Nope. I added methods to archive invoices and I added method to update ghost user to update the name or some other values. Does that make sense what I'm saying?
Uh, yeah.
So we should
Update the ghost user.
yeah, like let's say the name changed, the
Update
phone
ghost
number's
user.
not correct. Because there's
Okay.
still an option
Okay.
for me to manually create a ghost user, right?
I don't think so.
What happened to that?
Oh yeah. So there was a dialogue there inside the select person screen.
Let me,
No, inside the create invoice screen. So there was a dialogue there. So I just made it so that you selected only from the contacts.
but what if I want to create a new contact?
Yeah. Right.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Honestly, dude, that's like fucking amazing what you did here. But I also want a button on the bottom that says create contact.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But great job. That's fucking cool. And so basically, when I select one of these,
Mhm.
it automatically gets brought into my system.
Yes. Yes. And there's the ghost user creation method that gets triggered.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. But I just need one more method for creating the contact manually if I want to. And then
Okay.
also, if I click on this, What the fuck?
Yeah.
There needs to be some kind of way for me to edit it. Like put an edit icon to the right.
Yeah, right. So right now on tapping the host user, it only
That's fine.
autofills the.
What I'm saying is put an edit icon on the right in case I want to change some information.
Okay, got it.
But yeah, it's cool, man. Cool.
Is it not installing the app? I'll do one thing.
It's not working.
I'll just bring back the create invoice logic, the view invoice logic, I think.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, so there was this section that you added in the previous code, which was like, which was handling all the displaying logic of the view invoice screen, right? So just to be safe, I'll just bring back that code and I'll
What, I
let
don't know
it
what
be
you're
there
talking
inside.
about.
Uh, yeah, so yeah, I'll just push a code and I'll tell you about that in a moment.
Are you talking about the action button?
No, not the action button. The action button logic is there, but the UI logic
What UI
for the
logic?
view invoice.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
So it's like there's a lot of like conditions to display the UI, right, inside the view invoice screen.
Sure. But like,
So
what exactly are you talking about? What conditions for what?
so I just read that we were maybe it's not there in the Figma design as well, but if the invoice is deleted or something like that, so we display some other type of stuff there instead of the invoice details.
Yeah, you're confusing me. Anyway, what? Why is this not working?
Which thing?
I'm asking it. It's definitely a paid object.
Yeah.
Like, and it's not updating. Properly. It's not even hitting this code. What the fuck? If controller that is admin equals true, else if God damn it, I'm tired. All right, what progress are you making on the?
Yeah, so I'm trying to identify what the issue is. I see there's a problem with the snap button. It's not interacting with the tabs. It's not reacting to the tabs.
So you didn't test that before?
Yeah, I did that. Maybe there's something wrong with the PR or something.
Oh, I know why.
Did I put in the already merged PR or something like that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I'll just check the commits to where I exactly made the commit for the fixes to the snap screen. Push a link. Update snap screen
Yeah,
to handle permission.
I'm irritated as to why this isn't working here.
The send button.
No, this retry button. And why am I getting a late initialization error? Null check operator. Fucking asshole.
Oh, okay.
It's not waiting for.
Oh, you added this invoice status just now, right? The getter.
Yeah,
That could be the issue.
I know. Add void late. How do I avoid it though? I need this thing to wait until the whole thing is built.
Yep, yep. So don't we have that? We should be having that UI thing inside the when data. There's a when widget, right? With the data, error loading, all that stuff.
This isn't
So
wrapped around a when widget. Let me just.
yeah. So it'll only show up when the data is present.
Yeah, I just don't like the way this button looks. Maybe I can. How do I edit the edge and sets?
Wait. So inside this very app material button, there should be a property called hash shadows.
Okay, you can fix.
Some
Okay, hash shadow is true.
yes. So you'll immediately see shadows around
It
the
still looks like
button.
shit though. The edge, the horizontal edge and sets are too. How do I do that? Padding.
Yes,
5.
it's padding.
It's not padding.
So there's no parameter called padding there inside this button. You'll have to wrap it with a padding widget.
How do I do that?
Yep. Wrap with widget. There's a wrap with padding as well. Yeah. And instead of edge insets dot all, you'll have to make it edge insets dot symmetric. No, it will be symmetric. And then inside the symmetric function, there's a horizontal property. No. Inside the parenthesis, it's like a named parameter for the function. Yep. Yep. Nice. Okay, why is this button not clicking? Menu build capture menu.
Dude, I don't know. I liked my consumer staple widget button before. Fuck it.
So it's on the loading state.
Dude, what the fuck is it? 1 second.
Yep.
All right. What do I do here? It's giving me some void error.
Okay. Oh, you have to write async over there between the two, just like there's just like in the 160 one.
Yeah, how do I get rid of this line? It's really bugging me. Whatever. Let me know when you're done with the
Yeah, it's just ignoring the taps of the snap button. The flash is working.
add manual add contact button. Okay. Okay, if it's a ghost user, I don't want to see the icon.
Okay. On the invoices list.
Anywhere. If it's a ghost user, I don't want to see the icon.
Okay.
I can just fix that now though, right? It's not that difficult. How do I do that? Build user icon. No, that's not what you did. It's on the invoice card or something.
Yeah, ghost. There's a with ghost user profile something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do I do with where's the icon code?
Icon is I'll tell you the line number.
Image container. Bye bye.
Yeah. Image container and okay.
Why is it still showing though? Oh, circle avatar. Wait, no, that's fine.
Yes.
That's not the issue. That's the skeleton.
Yeah, that's not the it's like loading.
Why is
Yeah.
there two?
Yeah, so it's like yeah, there's two things there. There's a condition called invert layout, so
Okay.
either shows the image first or the text first. Show image.
And you're gonna sort them by updated, remove icon. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We're not sorting them properly right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Storing the.
No, sorting. On this.
Oh yeah, sort.
इन बार पसरा देख के ना मेरे को क्रोध ही आता है। हाथ धो लेंगे सब कर लेंगे जाके धूप में बैठना।
Is there a sort method anywhere here? Fetch, build. I am
Not inside the controller for invoices.
We're using this fetch invoices method, right? Fetch invoice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is view invoice screen. I don't even fuck. Where is this? Invoices screen controller. Invoices screen.
Yeah, invoices screen controller.
Why is there a state and a controller?
Okay, so like the state has all the, the variable objects, I could say.
No.
Like the member objects of a class.
Oh, you're passing that
So if I
into the constructor?
Yes.
Why don't you just pass in a list?
So if I if in future I want something else as a type that I want to return with the list, so I can do that easily with the state file. I just have to update the state class.
Yeah, explain me the reasoning. Teach me because I'm not aware what you're talking about. Sort by updated at. I still don't get it. How does it work?
Yeah, so you see, right now we are just returning a list of invoices, right? So let's say in future we also want to return someone's name along with or maybe anything else with the list. So what we'd have to do otherwise in that scenario is that we'll have to go to the controller file and add another.
Oh, I see. Okay, so
or maybe
you want to add custom parameters basically to what you're displaying.
Yes, exactly, yes. Makes it easy to extend the features.
Yeah, smart. Why is it still not being sorted properly? That doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so you're returning the invoices. Okay. That's fine. Should work.
Yeah, but it's not being sorted properly.
Just it. Oh, you have to. Oh, you have to assign the invoices again. So you have done invoices.sort, right?
Yeah.
So you have to write it like invoices equals to invoices.sort.
I can't do
I
that.
don't know. No. No, that's not the case. No, that's not the issue. It should update the original list.
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
why is it not sorting it? Is it because
So look at it.
will this work?
Yes.
You think it will?
Sort invoice. Okay.
No, what the heck?
It did? Yeah, it does.
It does not.
Oh, okay.
That's really
So
confusing.
what's the latest invoice? Which one's the latest invoice?
This Raul BJJ.
Okay. Okay. Is it also no? It's not related to the status, right?
No. Maybe the date time object's not correct. Maybe I'm not even returning it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check. Why am I not able to access this? What? Okay. 2025 0111. That is correct. Huh. That's just weird, man. It's not working at all. I don't understand. It might be my Mac.
Your Mac?
Maybe it's not rebuilding the swap app properly.
No, it does.
Right.
Maybe checking the printed list after it gets sorted. Like logging the list and checking all the items.
Yeah, what the fuck is this? My gosh, golly. Invoice screen, invoice screen. Oh. Oh, because you're resorting them, bro. That's why.
In the UIs file?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, help me understand what you're trying to do here so that I can not mess it up.
I think the screen is frozen.
Yeah, I'm
I'm not
sharing
able to
my,
exactly.
look at my computer.
Okay.
So Okay, I fixed the sort stuff.
Okay.
La 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 la. What the fuck? You see my screen or no?
No, no, no.
Oh. One L, one L. We're gonna have to add a default back button in the case that something happens.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not liking this button placement, bro. It kind of doesn't look good at all.
Okay, okay. Don't worry about it. I'll fix that.
Yeah, and fix the primary color too. It's like
Mhm.
or if you could just make it look better, because I don't know why it's.
Okay.
And okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, yeah.
About 20 lakh dollars, 55 lakh dollars, can go up to 1,018 up from with 8 million salary.
I think he made it look way too pinky over here, right?
Yeah,
It's too pink.
it's a lot of colors.
I don't mind the colors. It's just too pink. It's like
Oh, okay.
it's kind of a little girly.
Yeah.
How do I pass in the color properly? Oh,
Yeah, it's like that. And there should be like 0x double F inside the color class. 0x double F. And not that special symbol there. So you have to add a hex code there. No, it's not a string. It's just a value. Yeah, just like that.
why is this not working?
And before the FP8500, you have to add a 0x double F. Yes.
That's what?
And it should be just color, not colors.
What now?
How it should. Yeah, just without anything. Yeah, just 0x double F. No, it's like 0, not O. Yeah.
ये लोग को सर्विस मिल गई.
Yeah, how do I create a? That's how I do it. I think you there.
Yes, yes.
Uh, all right, what do I need to do now?
Okay, just a second. What happened?
Um, Bro, you're not display. Are we not displaying the name on the design for the invoice?
No.
Let's start doing that.
Okay.
I don't know why we don't have that. It's bad on my. We are showing the name.
The name of the person,
Yeah.
because the invoice itself does not have a name for it. It has a reason and
No.
the person
The
associated.
ghost user has a name. We're not showing.
Yes, yes.
We're not showing the ghost user's name.
Oh, okay.
Did you
Yes.
Okay. And why the fuck can't I edit the ghost user when I edit the invoice? Oh my god.
Mhm. Yeah, so in the previous screen that you had implemented, which was like a skeleton like
It
thing.
wasn't there, I know, but
So that,
it should
yeah,
be
it
there.
wasn't there. So I thought, okay, okay.
John Jacob. There it is. Alright, that's not good, but okay. Alright, that's gonna take some work though. Okay. Okay, how do I properly try adding the name of the ghost user here? Can I access the ghost user properly? Uh,
Okay.
okay,
From the edit
that's not okay.
invoice.
I'll make a list. I'll make a note of these things and I'll send them to you. Edit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
And what's the status on the video call fixes?
Yeah, so there were a couple of bugs that Rohit and I came up with while testing. So all those things on mobile is fixed, and I've also done a good amount of testing for the mobile platform for the video call, and it seems to be working fine now.
Okay, which
Like
branch?
most of the things, even the yeah, okay. So the integrated voice, yeah, that's not here.
Are you looking at the database I have for this?
For the invoices.
Yeah, basically, I'm gonna keep this thing as like all the stuff and bugs that I come up with and issues to fix for the next few days. But I'm putting your name
Okay.
next to the ones.
All right. Oh,
You still working on the Snap-on issue?
yeah, I think it's fixed now.
What was the issue?
So there was like it has a camera controller which is responsible to show you the camera preview and clicking the images and everything. So for some reason, while merging, maybe it brought back the existing camera controller that we were using earlier, and I created a separate file which takes care of the camera controller and all the initialization stuff of it. So I made a separate provider of it. And this is a, like, there is a